friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. We are back with a new video, and this time we will be taking you on a divine tour of Keesaragutta Temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is about 35 kilometers from Hyderabad, and you have to travel through ECIL. You can also come via ORR of Hyderabad and get down at the exit number 8, which is also named as Keesara exit, and the temple is about 8 kilometers from the exit. Before we proceed further, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As per legend, Sri Rama installed this Shiva Lingam here to atone for the sin of killing Ravana, a Brahman. He selected this beautiful valley surrounded by the hills and verdant greenery for the purpose, and ordered Hanumanji to bring the Sivalingam from Varanasi. Hanumanji was late in arriving with the Sivalingam, and as the auspicious hour was nearing, Lord Shiva himself appeared before Sri Rama and presented a Sivalingam for installation. Hence, the ling in this temple is Swayambhu Linga, and it's also known as Ramalingeswara, as Lord Rama had installed the lingam. Later, Hanumanji returned with 101 lingams for selection from Varanasi and felt aggrieved at not having his lingam installed. Hence, he threw away all of them over that place. Even to this day, you can see several lingams found scattered all over this place outside the temple. To mollify Hanumanji, Sri Ram ordained that the precedence would be given to him for the worship at the temple. He also said that the hillock where lingam was installed would bear his name Keesaragiri, that is Hanumanji, the son of Keesari. Over the period of time, it has colloquially transformed, and now it is known as Keesara, and the hill is Keesaragutta. Ever since, the rituals follow the command of Sri Ram. Now we have almost reached the temple premises, and you can see the temple on the hill. Om Namah Shivaya has been written on the walls of the temple, and that is in Telugu. Wow. I am visiting this temple after almost 6 years, and I can say there has been quite a development. The roads are very good to drive, and all through the way the roads were in very good shape. Now we are on the uphill drive and no traffic at all. But I think on Mondays the temple would be quite busy, so plan your trip accordingly to avoid the heavy crowds on the way uphill. We have reached the temple premises, and this is the parking area. The scenery looks beautiful, and you can see multiple shivlings scattered all around this place. I think during rainy season it would be very nice and beautiful place to view. And the crowd is also less right now. That is a big statue of Hanumanji, and we will visit there during our return. Now let's go inside, and here you can see the proper sitting arrangement for the devotees, where they can sit peacefully and enjoy the divine aura. Now we were at the Gopuram gate and going inside. Once inside, you can see the great sculptures, and these are the puja rates. It is written in Telugu, so you can take the assistance of Panditji to know about more information, or else you let us know in comment section, we will translate it for you. Now we are inside the temple mandap area, and beyond this we are not supposed to take any videos and photos. It's so beautiful here, and deities are behind the door. We cannot take the photos. I am done with my puja now and moving around the temple to take the glimpse of improvements that are being done here. I can say that the temple is being beautifully constructed. So friends, all in all, it is one of the best temples near Hyderabad, and you will surely spend some quality time here. Like we said earlier, now we are going to Lord Hanuman Temple, and here again photography is not allowed inside. See, all the shivlings, multiple shivlings are scattered around this place. We are done with our darshan and moving out. So friends, that was the tour of Keesaragutta Temple. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section and like the video. Subscribe to our channel as well. We'll be back with new video. Till then, bye bye and Om Namah Shivaya.